मिल नहीं रही है मैं भी। तो तुम्हें बेसिकली डिफरेंस पता है कि मतलब अंग्रेजी बात करते हैं। डू यू नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन जावा एमई एसई एंड ईई एंड कोर जावा एडवांस जावा?
Core Java, Advanced Java. I mean, difference as such. I mean, at Core Java is still this polymorphism and all those object-oriented things, and Advanced Java should be, I think, Java EE, JSP servlet-related things.
And J2ME?
J2ME, I'm not sure.
So there's officially only three things are there. One is called Java ME, Java Micro Edition, SE, and EE. Right? So officially there's only three things, and unofficially it is Core Java and Advanced Java. Okay, so this is the so this is the like standard. So Java ME, SE, ME, EE, and I think this Java FX something came. So these are the official things. And the Core Java, Advanced Java, which we will use, they are unofficial.
Can you hear me?
हेलो,
Hear me?
आपकी आवाज एकदम कम हो गई।
Hello?
हाँ हाँ।
Okay. So officially there is only Java ME, SE, EE, Java FX. I think this is Java FX something with front end. So what is Java ME? We use mainly Java E. You kind of this is the middle superset the Java core. So Java core means what is the Java fundamentals. Java has basically threading, object threading is there, right? That is fundamental. And somewhat you can say data structure also some basic Java structure that is be considered as a Java core. Even if you say Java core, it is like Java capability. So Java, whatever data structure you have in Java, Java array list, linked list, they are not the core of Java, right? Because they are written on the language. So Java core is, so you can say core of core is basically the language capabilities. But when we, so whatever language capabilities like what it has object is base object, threads are there. So these are the basic thing, and it has if you see Java object method, it has wait, notify. So thread is in there, the star is there. Native methods are written. You can write native method, and you can write in C. So things should call core of core. And when people use Java core also, it's a loosely term used in industry. So it is Java core and plus data structure, simple data structure. I think that you can say it is core Java. And so this is not official term. And other term is advanced Java. So advanced Java means everything apart from this. You have a Spring framework. Spring framework is there. Java E frameworks is also there. So in unofficially it's called advanced Java. Everything else which you have Hibernate, you have other things. And so Java SE basically it has different APIs. So if you go under the Java SE, just one second. Yeah, so I think they've in the interface now. So Java SE standard edition, which is like your code RT.jar. So you know RT.jar, right? That is the core of one jar with a core. So that is included in Java standard edition. And then Java EE. So Java EE means enterprise. So whatever came from officially from Java, from officially you have like Jersey is one of the implementation. Spring is part of the Java EE. Hive is the most used technology, not part of the Java EE because they are from officially from. So it's like your container, your JNDI, your servlet, right? So servlet, these are the even your servlet is there, JNDI, and there's other thing also like EJV. So Spring also has Bean, right? But Java itself has a Bean concept that called you have Java Beans also and EJV also. So they are the advanced Java. Sorry, they are the Java Enterprise Edition. So so then only like things you can say mainly you can effects. I think this is Java ME. So if you look at the Java ME API, right? Java ME API. Let's go with it. Like yeah. So in Java ME API you go. Okay, yeah. I think here it will come. ME or like golden copy. So you can Oracle launch. You should see from here. This is the golden copy. So Java ME. Internet is slow. So in Java ME you find very less classes. Like even the some third object third methods you will see that will not be there, and it has very few methods. It is targeted for like micro edition is targeted only for like your machine like your IoT sensor and your credit card payment machines. So they don't have that much RAM and capability. So that is the Java emulation. If you see minimum requirement also, it is very less. Yeah. So you see Java TV, Java, all those things come under Java ME micro edition. And I think it requires 8 MB to run. Java ME can run on 8 MB, so it is designed for very like small devices. So yeah, you can see documentation over here. So this is about Java TV. I think as they are coming with more and more frameworks. Yeah, this is it's keep evolving. So embedded, Java ME embedded is there. And I just like to see if I can get the APIs, or otherwise you can Google it. So I just like to show you if we can get that APIs, supported APIs. Yeah, interface has changed a lot. Okay, reference. I just say CDLC. Yeah. So I just like to give you right thing. So see, this is the Java ME means this many package. You don't have all the things. So if you go your favorite class, say third, right? So let's see how much are there in third. Even third class is there. Yes, there. Yeah. So you see only many class and character, long runtime. So they try to keep it bare minimum. So you don't see all the classes here, right? In Java.lang package, if you I will compare with Java SE version also. And Java is basically additional over different jar. But yeah, rd.jar is what is as you can say in very simple terms. rd.jar one jar is there, which is basically Java SE is there. So if you see, it will not have all the methods which you find in your Java E, right? So you see construct, and this many methods are there, right? Let me show you same thing in Java SE also. Java EE, sorry, Java S standard edition. Yeah, these things are a little confusing. API, yeah, sorry, I should have gone through. So Java 8 is there. Yeah. So let's see now Java 8. See, you see, so in Java SE when you're talking, I think you're talking about rd.jar, and that will have all the classes.
So this is Java EE, right? Not SE.
Sorry, SE and EE are same, right? Okay. 1 second. This is sorry. I should bend to EE. So thanks for doubt. Let's move it here. SE. Let's search Java SE. That's what I mean. Yeah, so this is, I like to see 8 API. Yeah, it doesn't make much difference. Yeah, yeah. So this is your Java SE API, so right? So this many jars is there, which is come in Java SE. If you go to like, so you find a lot of things, AWT and Lang and all those stuff. So Java.lang is the default package. You don't have to import anything from Java.lang, right? It gets by default imported. So you see number of the classes you are seeing here, right? you will see much more classes here. Exception, enums, annotation. Even annotation also there in. Okay, let's move it to E. Okay, see, you will see this is the Java ME1, right? And this is a C. There are other things there. So you still how you getting? You getting logging, you're getting, and you're getting Java. You're getting less classes. And if you see over here, yeah, I think Java.lang is yeah, it has more classes, right? You can see right here. And yeah, if you go to java.utils in this one, let's go to N. Yeah. So if you see, and this is the standard edition. So let's go to java.util, which where you're by default, whatever the you get the package there, right? So they are in the java.util, and there's java.util concurrency, automatic logs, and logging, all those things are extra here. But if you compare this with the java.util of this one, of Java ME, right, which is designed to run, so you will not find that many classes. You find this many classes only, and then you don't find java.util. There is concurrency package, atomic log, because this thing require more CPU and things, and they are not designed. Even now with Java 9 Jigsaw project, right, you can import jar and it make more things modular. So if you have little bigger device which is not as your computer, yeah, you can import other thing in Java ME, and yeah, then you can import. So with Jigsaw project you can do that. So let's look at the and now look at the java.util package. So you will just find the difference. So yeah, so you will find so you have regex is not there in that one, concurrency not there, atomic locks and jars are not there. So this is basically, so there are, I think now they're showing 4. I think FX is not with I think it is FX is for the UI part. So yeah, let's not consider. But yeah, this is basically difference between, this is the official. But people, an unofficial terms is Core Java and Advanced Java. Core Java means kind of Java SE, and Advanced Java include all the things, even the Hibernate and Spring. This is the like most popular, and you have thousands of the library. So they are not part of the Java any official part, right? So people use term Core Java and Advanced Java, and people use more terms to use in the SE and EE. These 2 terms are used. ME and FX is also there, but they are less used, right? ओके ठीक है, चलो वैसे इतनी रिकॉर्डिंग करते हैं आज के दिन। इसको डाल देंगे यूट्यूब पे, दिक्कत तो नहीं ना?
नहीं।
हाँ तो आना थोड़ी कहीं आ रहा है। हाँ स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग कर